This lesson, we're going to be taking an amount. So here we've got 100 US dollars, and we want to convert it to euros. This is the current exchange rate as we're speaking, coming from Google Finance. And then this is going to be the total result of euros that are going to be exchanged for the 100 US dollars. And this is all the way down. So we've got the British pounds, we've got Canadian, we've got Chinese currency. And then here we've got Canadian that's being converted into US dollars. So if we have 100 Canadian dollars, we're converting into US. That's going to give us $73 US back. 136 Canadian. That should give us roughly about $100 US. So we can see that the exchange rate is working back and forth. Go ahead and open up your spreadsheet. And in this example, we're going to be using 5 columns. First column is going to be an amount. So you can add in any value there as an amount. And I've just formatted the data as a number. So you can go also under the number and then here currency. Next, we need to have the from currency. So we've got some US dollars and some Canadian dollars. And then the to currency. So there's a number of different options here for different type of currencies. And this is going to be the standard currency short codes that you can use. So we've got a number of them here. And then we're using the Google Finance in order to convert it and get the exchange rate. So you can get more information about Google Finance at Google/finance/markets. So you can get stock quotes and you can get various values, and you can even get currencies, which we're going to be using in this one. So we've got the currency short codes and we've got the value of the currency short codes. So what this is doing is a built-in function that's available within your sheets, and you're able to use the Google Finance in order to get the values. So in this case, we've got the Canadian dollars to the US dollars. So that's going to be exchange rate of 0.7313. So we've got that up there as well. And you can see that all of the various currencies are available. So what we're going to be doing in this lesson is going to be taking the value of the amount and then the exchange rate and then getting an output for the total. So let's go ahead and open up the app script, and this could be a really short formula. So we're going to create our custom function, and we've got the convert currency function, and we're going to require the 2 parameters. So the first one is going to be the amount that we are going to be calculating, so whatever the amount in the local currency. And then we want to return back the value of that. So whatever the exchange rate value is. So maybe we can just call this X value for exchange rate value. And then we're simply returning this back. And this is going to be the custom function. So do a return and then do the calculation where we've got the amount and multiply it by the exchange value. So it's going to calculate out our total. And then once we want to use this custom formula, we can go under total and then equal that. So first off, we need an amount, and then we need the exchange value. So it's going to be exchange value, and this is going to be up to date using the Google Finance. So that's whatever $100 is going to return back in euros. It's going to be returning that back. And then we can go all the way down. We can drag it down. So also, if you want to reformat it, so instead of having a number, we can just use it as a financial value. So this will be returning back the financial values. And these might also not necessarily be dollars. So we can also adjust that, and instead of having a number, we can just use this as a financial value. So the first one is going to be the amount in US dollars, and then this is going to be whatever the exchange rate currency is going to be. And that's how you can create a custom formula in Google Apps Script.